Unlocking everyday English. Price check, please. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase you might hear in stores or see in movies: price check, please. This simple request packs a lot of meaning and is a great example of everyday English in action. Whether you're shopping in an English-speaking country or just want to expand your vocabulary, understanding these common phrases can really boost your confidence. So, let's get started. Price check, please, is a phrase used by shoppers in retail stores when they want to know the price of an item that isn't clearly marked. It can also be used when the price listed on the shelf or the item doesn't match the price at the register. By saying this, the shopper is asking a store employee to verify the price of the item. It's a polite but direct way to request this information, and it's commonly used in situations where pricing is unclear or seems incorrect. This phrase is particularly useful in a few different scenarios. When an item is missing a price tag, if the price on the shelf is different from what is being charged at the checkout. When you're buying items in bulk and the price isn't clear, if there's a promotional sign, and you want to ensure the discount applies to your item. Understanding when to use price check, please, can help avoid confusion at the checkout and ensure you're being charged the correct amount. When asking for a price check, it's important to be polite and patient. Retail workers are often busy, and a kind request can go a long way. Here's how you might phrase it. Excuse me, could I get a price check on this item, please? I'm sorry to bother you, but could you help me with the price of this product? Adding please and thank you shows respect and appreciation for the employee's assistance. In English-speaking countries, customer service is often seen as a priority, and asking for a price check is a normal part of the shopping experience. However, the way you ask might slightly vary depending on the country. For instance, in the UK, you might hear, "Could you check the price of this for me, please?" Whereas in the US, it's more direct. Price check, please. Regardless of the slight differences, the intent remains the same, and being polite is key in all interactions. Understanding simple yet practical phrases like price check, please, can significantly enhance your English-speaking experience, especially in real-life situations like shopping. It's not just about the words. It's about engaging with the culture and the practicalities of daily life in English-speaking environments. We hope this video has been helpful and has added a useful phrase to your English language toolkit. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.